And we must say this so that the whole world will know. Because if you refuse to say the truth, you die. If you say the truth, you also die. And I am ever ready to tell the whole world the actual truth. The last time we met in Jakarta, we buried our brother who was shot by the security agencies. As if that is not even enough. Today we are here to bury two brothers as well that were shot in their homes by the illegal act of the security agencies, most especially the soldiers. They came and killed them in their own homes.
You must remove sentiment out of this video for you to understand the fact I'm about to present to you. Why are so many people who are connected to governors, like governor of Niger State and so many governors in northern Nigeria, why is it that so many people who are close to them are celebrating the death of Christians in Plateau State? The death of Christians killed by the Fulani militias. People who are Muslims close to governors are celebrating it. Are they trying to reflect the mindset of their principals? They might not be naturally an appointee to these governors, but they are close to them. I have seen so many of them online. I've done background check. And I have to ask questions like, why has the Department of State Service, DSS, not arresting them? Why is DSS keeping quiet? I've seen so many of their, comments. For example, when the CBN News, they posted something about 27 people who were killed by the Fulani militia. They called it Christian genocide. So CBN posted it. This journalist, Masarakin, reposted it. And you can see a comment from Adamu Amadou Namu. And this is what he, responded. He said, "Good job. We need more. They need more Christians to die. They need more people they call infidel to die." See, there are some things I want to tell you in this video. That is why I said you should remove sentiment apart, because I'm going to tell you the fact, what is going on. But you know what? I want you to listen to what this man is saying, because the another twist of this story going on in Plateau State is what we have warned you people about. In the year 2017, when they were doing, all this Python dance, killing of people, we told people that the Nigerian security operatives, just like the report from Amnesty International, the soldiers, we told you that they were killing innocent Igbos for nothing. They will come your home, they will raise down your home, they will burn your house. Why? Because there is someone who is manipulating the activities. See, remove sentiment apart. Let me repeat this. Now, you are about to listen to an eyewitness who is also narrating how soldiers are now going to Plateau State, raising down houses, burning down houses, shooting people dead for nothing, innocent people. The question is, why are soldiers doing this? And that is why I am here. So I'm going to tell you why such a thing is going on. Why? The reason, just a simple reason why such a thing is going on. So stay with me, listen to what this man said, and I will be right back.
And we continue to encounter issues that are quite unfortunate. Not that our people brought this upon themselves, but these are carelessness from the security agencies. And we must say this so that the whole world will know. Because if you refuse to say the truth, you die. If you say the truth, you also die. And I am ever ready to tell the whole world the actual truth. The last time we met in Jakarta, we buried our brother who was shot by the security agencies. As if that is not even enough. Today we are here to bury two brothers as well that were shot in their homes by the illegal act of the security agencies, most especially the soldiers. They came and killed them in their own homes. The soldiers destroy their buildings. They did it on 1st May, where a pastorium in Sabongari here was destroyed. 8 buildings were brought down by the same soldiers. I am saying this so that the international community will know what the soldiers are doing in Mangu local government. I am saying this so that human rights organization will also know what the illegal act being committed by the soldiers in Mangu local government. We are not troublesome people. It is only 2 groups of people that are fighting the Mogul people. The Fulani are fighting us. The soldiers are also fighting us. The Mobile man is known for peace. Not only the Mobile man, but the entire natives of Plateau State. Troubles here in Mango, troubles there in Bokos, Bassa, name them. The Fulani are not only troubling the Mobile people, the whole world know that the entire nation, Nigeria, the Fulani are troubling us. And I'll use this singular opportunity to call on government, most especially the president, to give the governors the backing to put state police, because they are cumbersome with our terrain. They are the only people who can protect us when we have state police on ground. We are so tired with the activities of the soldiers, and we are going to be tired with it. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. So we are calling on the government to act accordingly. Let them protect lives and properties. Because if they fail to protect lives and properties, who are they going to govern? So on a lighter note, I am bringing condolences to the entire family that was affected. Not only the family alone, but the entire nation. I also thank Masari Kim and the Biramute movement for standing by us to ensure that we bring this to the notice of the Human Rights Commission. We'll take up this legal case. We'll take up this legal case so that if there's any soldier who want to try us in Mokovu land, he will know that we are equal to the attacks. If they are here for the people, let them protect them both. But if they will be selfish in their act, the Mokovu man will rise up and make sure that we fight them to the core. I pray that may God comfort us, may God guide us and protect us from our evil. The Lord will strengthen us and continue to see us through in every activities that we are going to face. God bless us now and always. Thank you.
All right, first and first, you see, we told you people that this thing is going to get to everyone. It's not a prayer. It is a pattern. We are not wishing it. It is a pattern. If you understand programming in a computer system, this is a program something. It is a pattern that is going to go around. So when we were shouting about this pattern of soldiers coming to kill people, they did it in Okoma community, my state, Delta State. They did it in so many places in the southeastern part of the country for nothing. But when it happens in some places in the corner where every day army barrack is being bombed, guess what? Army will not say that, oh, these people bombed our barrack and they are in the community. Let us go and raise down the community. So who is actually controlling the Nigerian army? It's a question that we are going to answer. Now, going back to people who are celebrating the death of Christians, don't worry, I'll come back to what this man just narrated, that military are killing civilians at home. It is not normal to think that, but I'm going to explain some things to you, okay? Now, this man, Adamu Amadu Namo, that is the person that posted that thing, that they need more death of Christians, that they need more Fulanese to kill more Christians, and he's still working free, right? This is his profile. This is not a privacy breach because he commented publicly. So it's not a privacy breach. I'm not breaching his privacy. This is his profile. So I did a background check about him. So I know that he is connected to some politicians, to some governors. And I can tell you that this is the handwriting let me just say, this is the reflection of what so many of them stands for. Just like when Ngiri came out to say that Christians are infidel, that Nigeria is a Muslim nation. He's Tinubu's friend. So Tinubu did not condemn it up to today. Nigerians be smart. So that could be the meetings that he have had with Tinubu, and they agreed in that terms. Yes, they agreed in that terms. People should wake up and understand what is going on. Now, let us go back to what this man has been saying about soldiers killing. If you are surprised, or if you are trying to say, well, soldiers will investigate that man that made that statement, don't go far. Don't go far. Come close. Let me talk to you. Before you say soldiers should go and arrest him, that he's lying, I want to just clear your doubt. In a primary school, you know that all these Boko Haram, they hate Western education. So anything Western education, they would like to go to school to kidnap people. So intelligence was breached in the Boko Haram circle, and DSS got it, that they are going to kidnap schools. They are going to kidnap school children, in so many schools. And one of the schools is in Niger State. You know what happened? They now sent soldiers to go and guide the school. Soldiers were guiding the school. till in the morning around 4 a.m. A call came from Abuja mandating the soldiers to leave with immediate effect that terrorists are coming to carry those children, that they should not worry. The soldiers left. So when the terrorists came and kidnapped the school children, those soldiers were captured. Come on. Why did you people leave? They said, oh, it's not me. A call came from above, Abuja. Abuja is dangerous. So a call came from Abuja and they left. Now, this is one of the most interesting things. So the issue came to the Senate House. I counted 32 senators who were shouting, who made the call? Who made the call? Including Oshomonde. Akpabio was saying, we must bring out who made the call. I was laughing at them. I said, they no go feed. Aso Rock. These people are puppet to Aso Rock. The call came from Aso Rock. So who did that? I'm going to somewhere. Stay with me. What angered me the most is Christopher Musa. I am saying it any day, anytime. Like, he pissed me off. He pissed me off. He's a small boy. If I meet him on the road, I'll beat him up. You know what angered me about what Christopher Musa did? Christopher Musa, the day he came for confirmation as a minister in the Senate floor, okay? Christopher Musa said, I am going to bring out who made this call. The first thing I'm going to do is to bring out who made the call. We were hoping that politicians who were controlling the soldiers, controlling the terrorists together, were about to be exposed. We were thinking that a minister somewhere is about to be exposed. Guess what? Till today, Christopher Musa did not do anything. So, for me, the whole fight about insecurity is zero. It's zero because he don't want to attack the root. Somebody collaborating with terrorists caused soldiers to leave. That terrorists are coming to kidnap people. And up till today, you didn't bring out the name of the person. And you just want people to continue to believe that you people are smart or what? Nigeria. You know, it's important we reflect all these things to understand. So, when an individual group of people came out to tell you, or come out to tell you that soldiers are killing us, hey, don't doubt them. Now, let me give you another clue again. Now, the witness of this one is Plateau State Governor. Plateau State Governor is a witness of what I'm about to say. Soldiers, after terrorists attacked Plateau State, after this bandits, Fulani militia attacked Plateau State, close to church, so the governor came. When the governor came, the soldiers who were deployed to guide the area also came. So the residents in the area were now telling the governor, these soldiers were there. He was the one directing the terrorists to attack us close to the church. I was hiding. I saw this soldier directing the bandits on where to attack. Like, the governor was there, the soldier, the leader of the military personnel who were there. Like, their leader, should I say, because one soldier stood out, others at the back. It was one at the front. So the man nearly just pissed on his clothes. The governor was there. The residents were telling the governor, it was this man that were directing the terrorists to kill us. Like, see, Nigeria will not work. These are interests. They are major divided interests. I'm not telling you about election. The election is not. I'm telling you a generational interest. Now, the last thing I'm going to tell you is what someone told me yesterday. So someone told me that, the issue of Plateau State, Plateau people don't want to accommodate Fulanese people. So they are trying to chase Fulanese away because we are in one Nigeria, they cannot do that. So if they try to chase us away, we will force them. We will force ourselves on them. If they kill one cow, we will kill 10 Plateau people. If they kill one Fulani people, we will kill 20 Plateau people. Like, say, oh, no. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? You see, the earlier we all realize that we were not meant to be together. See, this mistake is going to last, if care is not taken, it's going to last up to 200 years. There was an amalgamation of Nigeria. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. We are not supposed to be together. So, what is going on? You are seeing this terrorist killing, but people who have the same idea are in the police, they are in the military, they are everywhere, they are in the Aso Rock. You cannot take that idea out of them. They will work with the terrorists. If they're in Aso Rock, they will work with the terrorists. What have we not seen? Even the man who formed the Boko Haram is still with the Tinubu administration. Even the man who was hiding the terrorists in his house, the vice president, is still in Aso Rock. What are we not even talking about? You know what? Let me leave you with this video of a senior advocate of Nigeria advising Nigerians on what to do. Take a listen.